Hi everybody, welcome back to Patchogue Firearms Restoration. Got a really interesting one for you today. Every now and then, when you're out looking for used guns to go fix up, you come across really strange and unique pieces, and then you always wonder about the past on these guns and the story behind why it is the way it is. So this one I came across, I saw it up on the shelf, and it had what looked like a double trigger on it, and it looked like a very uniquely shaped trigger guard, but what in fact happened was the trigger return spring inside the gun had broken at some point, and the former owner had simply removed the parts from inside the receiver, and then on the outside they flipped around the trigger guard, and then they installed this piece of flat spring bar plate wire, and this is acting as an external trigger return spring. Really unique piece of garage mechanics, but it works. The gun cocks, and then the trigger returns, allowing you to reset. And very unique piece. So I'm going to clean this old gun up, and I think I'm just going to leave this the way it is. I don't think I'm going to look for the proper spring for the inside. It's just unique piece, and found it very interesting. That's all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you have a passion for rebuilding and refinishing some of these old rifles, like this Stevens Model 95 410, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Thank you.